Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW SYS 008 traders. The title of this video is how to swing trade on 2 days chart, okay, using the relative strength RSI indicator. This is part 2. If you have not watched, this is part 3. In fact, this is part 3. All right. If you have not watched part 1 and part 2, okay, you may do so before watching this. All right. Let's continue. So in the second part, we were talking about the horizontal market pattern or the balance market pattern or the consolidation chart pattern. All right. But this time we're going to focus on the rising channel, the 3 market pattern, as I mentioned to you in the first part of the video, the tools that a swing trader, okay, will need to make excellent decision. Talking about, okay, the market pattern, very, very important, all right? Very, very important. The trading triangle, very, very important. Support and resistance level and a top-down trading method, all right? In the second part, we were talking about, okay, the best, okay, market pattern for a swing trader is the horizontal market pattern. How do we play it? We have discussed it already. In this third part, we're going to talk about the rising channel, okay, how a swing trader will play it, all right? But I don't want you to forget what you have already learned, otherwise we're going to go round. All right, we need to move on, okay? You know now that you need the trading triangle. You know that that now that you need the market patterns, all right? And you know now that you need to apply, okay, a top-down trading method. So I don't want to go back to it all the time in everything, okay? All right. So when the price is in a rising channel, the price must display higher lows and higher highs. This is just a common language of the price. But there's a one thing that traders talk about it, everybody knows about it, but sometimes traders get into trouble because the price in a rising channel, they want to buy on a lower part of the channel. What I say to traders is that you need 3 points to draw a channel. So price display a low, followed by a higher low, you draw a trend line, okay? This is it, the green one, the second green, we draw a trend line. But the primer display a higher high before retesting it. So we have this high here, okay? So 3 points we need to draw a channel, so we draw a channel. First, a low, a higher low, we draw a trend line. We choose 1 point at the top, we just draw a line that is parallel to it, so we have a channel. So we are waiting again for swing trading purposes. After the display, after the price has displayed, okay, a higher low as it did here, it must display a higher high before retesting the trend line. This is critical for the bullish progression. It must display a higher high before retesting the trend line. It doesn't mean that if it doesn't display a higher high, it can't go further. But it will negate a little bit the bullish progression if, for instance, we have something like this. So we have a low, a high, all right, a higher low. Now we have a lower high or almost equal high, something a little bit higher. It's not convincing. Doesn't mean that it cannot go up from here, but it put us under pressure. We are not very confident anymore. And this can create a bearish pressure because the bearish trader watch something like this. They'll be saying, what's going on? These people couldn't, this is an invitation to buy. Why they couldn't push it up very far? So they will see it as a weakness and the bear will challenge the bulls here. You understand now? But if, for instance, they display a new high like this after this high here, the bear will stay away. They will say, well, it's looking more bullish. So they will stay away. They will wait. They will wait. They don't want to sell it at this. Unless there is a fundamental reason, or we are at a major resistance level, or the market itself, the market environment is bearish. Unless. But if the market environment is bullish and everything aligned carefully, and a financial instrument display a higher low followed by a higher high, and pull back like this, the bear will not try to force it. They will look for another weak financial instrument that they can sell. So you understand now? That's why it's so important for us that we see, okay, a higher high before the price is retesting the trend line. I'm not saying that it cannot go back up after a weakness like this, but it will put us a little bit under pressure as a bullish trader, okay? Myself, I may stay away from it. I don't want to trade it at all if I don't see a higher high before the retest of my trend line. All right. So 1, 2, 3. The third one is mine. But very often, a lot of traders will decide to buy straight away here on a 2-day chart. All right, or on their setup time frame. It's wrong. Use a top-down trading method. All right, use a top-down trading method, multiple time frame trading method, okay? The next thing that I say to traders, so you see the mistake, so you don't want to buy straight away like this on a 2-day chart, use a top-down trading method, all right? It's the second mistake that traders are making. So you see like this, prior retest the trend line. You remember? You want to buy at a support level, reliable support level. Sometimes the prior retest the trend line like this, everybody like it, and people will decide to buy it straight away. But sometimes you may see a better support somewhere here. So you see this support here, this low here, and the market will say, well, we'll prefer this low instead. So when you are about to buy, retesting the trend line, ask yourself, look for horizontal support and resistance level on a higher time frame. Remember the tools that a swing trader needs: key support, reliable support level. Though the price on the edge of the rising channel like this after displaying higher low, sometimes the price will break the trend line and look for a better support level below. That's why you want to know where are the key reliable support level. So if the price retests in the trend line like this, but a reliable support is just below, there's a high chance that you need to be very careful. The market will push it to the reliable support before bringing it back inside. Once again, we don't want to forget everything else, all right? Forget about being a purest technical trader. Remember, in order to achieve consistent swing tradings, okay, in order to achieve consistent winning swing trading, one must combine technical trading and fundamental analysis, bringing us back to the thing that we have discussed before, the trading triangle. The market first, the sector, before the individual financial instrument, the heart of the trading triangle, we have the market leaders, okay, the economy news, and the fundamentals, all right? Fundamentals, okay? Economy news and fundamentals, okay? It makes sense? So in a rising channel, with the market, the rising channel represents a bullish momentum or a bullish sentiment, all right? It's just representing a bullish sentiment. But we need to be very careful, as I told you now. I want to go now, okay, to the 2-day chart, okay? I want to remove my drawings, okay? We have finished with it now, so we can move on, okay? We can move on swiftly, and we go to the 2-day chart, and we'll start talking more about here, what's happening here. Talking about swing trading on a 2-day chart, all right? And I want to show you one example how you can handle that on a 2-day chart, okay? Let's go to the 2-day chart, okay? This is the 2-day chart. So we have a rising, pay attention to the blue channel. You see the blue channel. So remember what we said. I don't want you to forget, okay? If you're a new trader, okay, watch it 100 times until you master it, okay? That's why I break it down into series of videos. So a low, all right? A higher low. There was a high here, all right? Great, isn't it? Now we are waiting for the third time. We are on the 2-day chart. Are you with me? Euro-Canadian 2-day chart, okay? So we were here, okay? So we are waiting for the third time, yes or no? Pay attention only to the blue channel. Ignore the red ones now. I'll come back to that in the next part of this video. In the 4th part of this video, we'll be talking about why we need this red channel, okay? So down here it is. So it came back and touched it. So the condition that we said before, it must display a higher high. So it went out. Okay, here this edge, see here, a higher high. Agree? You went above it, okay? Nice. Higher high is retesting here. So the mistake that trader will make is that they will go straight away and buy on the 2-day chart. Here, they may get away with it because it went up. But the best scenario is to use the multiple time frame trading method. What did we say also? we must look for a reliable support level because we want to buy at a valid support level. To avoid that we buy at the wrong place, we can draw, we are on a 2-day chart, we can draw at least the support on this, see here, the previous high. See this line, you see, let's color it now into pink to please the ladies. Too many blues, okay, we don't want to be sexist, all right, or annoying the ladies. Lady love pink, so let's satisfy them, okay? Okay, you see now? So this is a key level on the 2-day chart, and the price was retesting the edge of the trend line. In fact, the price break above the pink line and was retesting this. It's nice, isn't it? All right, at this point in time, we can go because we want to buy. We on the edge, we want to know where are the support levels. So sometimes the price may look for a better support level. So are there more support levels? There's one here. But so far, the price break above a resistance level and retesting it is a bullish setup on the edge of a trend line, a rising trend line, after the price has displayed a high. I want to give it a chance because it was going down before in this session here. Now it break above, retest. I don't want to sell. If I receive a buy signal here, I will buy. But I want to be aware of the key support level where they are. See the pink line now? Let's go to the higher time frame. We are on the 2-day chart. Let's go to the weekly chart to see whether this level is good or not, okay? That's the pink line that I draw here. Let's extend it a little bit, okay? Extend it. Extend that pink line, you see? You see that pink line? It's a key support level. See this trend line? This point here, if you extend it all the way here between this point and this point, it's a nice support level on the weekly chart. So from the 2-day chart, we went to the weekly chart. We validate that this setup is happening in a support zone, a key levels, okay, that will allow us to make excellent decision. This is the end of part 3. I invite you to follow me in a 4th part about how to swing trade on a 2-day chart using the RSI indicator. You will notice that when the RSI, with the price retesting the lower part of the channel, very often the RSI will be oversold, but sometimes it may not, okay? As you can see here, it is not, the RSI 14 is not in the oversold zone, but the price we are trading, we are not trading the RSI, we are trading the price, okay? See you in the next video, when we will be talking more about the RSI itself and, okay, also this red line here, all right? See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, okay? And we will speak to you very soon. We are the TSTW SYS008 traders talking about how to swing trade on the 2-day chart using the RSI indicator, part 3. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you dislike it, put a comment below. If you love it, share it. Speak to you soon.